this is Leanne and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. And it is another week and we have another video. Okay, so we have another video and this one is very exciting because it's about Kasi guys, I want to show you guys that this is the brightest video ever. Anyways, this is a product I bought online, again, Facebook. So now I want to try this in front of you. This one arrived last week, 2 weeks ago, I mean a week ago. It's been a while, so I haven't opened this one because I want to open this one in front of you guys. And now I ordered this online and messaged them, and unfortunately it was in Thai, but then I told them if they can speak English and they said yes, and they're very friendly, and they said this is cash on delivery, so that's why I pay this one after I received this product. Okay, and this product is whitening, a teeth whitening. If you can see, my teeth is like yellowish. Don't worry, my teeth is clean, but ganyan talaga ang kulay ng aking teeth. So now, if you're going to open the box, you will see pencil like this, like that. So paputi, don't look at that. And this one here, like that. You will see, and a mouth piece, But before that, I want to see a video first. Wow. Okay. Alright. Oh, diba? Okay, so that's how we're going to do that. But I think this one needs a battery, and I don't have a battery. Let's see if this one has a battery. Ah, it has already. Okay, good. Okay. Battery facing up like that, not like these, and wait, like that, and voila. So it is not working. We're ready to go. Wait, do I need to wash this? Hindi naman siguro yun, no? So I think this one is clean. Or should I wash this first? I will wash this one first, but I think this one is already clean. Okay, so we should, I think they connected here like this. Okay, I washed my hands now. Don't worry. I am. Ah, there it is. Now it is ready. I want to take a picture of my teeth first before anything else. So I would see. Here is the before picture of my teeth. Can you see that? But I wanna move you closer para makita nyo. It is yellowish. Look at that. Oh, nakakahiya. I'm talking like this. You'll be seeing my teeth the whole time. No, I'm just kidding. You're not gonna see that, of course. So now I will move you back. So now that you're back there. So I move you back. So let's open this. So we have this one. This is Dazzling White Strength Whitening Pen. Whitening. So they have this here, like a brush for your teeth, and here at the other end is just to twist, and then the product will come out. Okay, so let's start now. I don't see any products coming out yet. Products, I guess. Huh? Okay. Guys, I have to change. And now that we covered already, why am I talking like this? Let's this one. Nasasakyan at sugat. This is it. I did it for 10 minutes already, and 10 minutes is over. We'll see the final look. We'll take a picture right after. Okay. Guess so. Now I'll show you difference. It has a very small difference if you are gonna see the picture. So this was of course, can you see that? This was the before, and this was the before, and this is the after. And I want you to come closer and check. I think it works, and I think I have to do this a day, every day. If I will do this every day, then I will have very white teeth. Oh, it's open. Here's a front on shop. Here's a front, and here on the side is not that much because I think this one is still yellow. Because the target of this one is only front, I guess, not inside. But I think it works, and I will try this many times and tell you the results about it. Guys, and if you have, thank you so much for reaching until this part of the video, and I hope that you enjoy this video. And if you enjoy